drumming from Africa, West Africa, and also drumming using the darbuka, which is a drum from the Middle East. It was a fusion of different cultures, also a bit of our own style in there. What is drumming? Drumming is the beat that everyone resides with. It's the beat that brings people together, regardless of races, cultures, religion. We all can connect to the drum beat because the drum beat is in creation. You hear it in the trees, you hear it in the animals,
and that's where in the heart.
In the heart as well. Your heart is constantly beating, and this is what we're bringing here. Our group name is called Pearls of Islam, and we teach various drumming styles, and we just like to drum. It makes us happy, right?